Once upon a time there was a mama pig with 3 little pigs, and as she did not have enough room to keep her 3 little pigs, she sent them out to build their own houses. All 3 pigs decided to build a house and set off to the brickworks to buy some bricks. While the second and third pig were still on their way to the brickworks, the first pig came across a man with a bundle of sticks.
Hey sir, how are you doing? I see you're selling straw there. Friends over there go to the brickworks so they build a house, but I think I might just take straw from you. Is that okay? Heck yeah, I'd much rather do this. Hey Gerald, hold this. Thanks, man. That Dylan kid. Dylan!
Not Gerald again.
The first little pig quickly built a house with it right where he stood, and then settled down and prepared to have a nap for the rest of the afternoon. But then a big bad wolf came along.
Whoa. Little pig.
Ah!
Little pig, can I come in?
No, not by the ears of my chinny chin chin! Gerald, get him!
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll...
Hi, I'm Luke J. Ocampo, and today I'm your mental health professional. The first little pig's psychological disorder is schizophrenia. It is a mental disorder in which a person has delusions and hallucinations. A person that has this disorder is incapable of having normal thought processes. Along with this disorder, a person seems very self-absorbed and thinks the world revolves around them. Most symptoms of schizophrenia include being withdrawn from society, reduced speech, lack of emotions, absence of pleasure and motivation, and disorganized thoughts. Schizophrenia can be treated with medications and other types of therapy that help to reduce stress, anxiety, and other phobias.
But first, I'll blow your house in.
Meanwhile,
While the second and third pig were still on their way to the brickworks, they passed across a man with a bundle of sticks.
Sticks? I said, do you mind? These are so much stronger than straw that my friend over there, he tried to build a house out of it. But thank you, I have to walk over to the brickworks. Man, these sticks make such an excellent house. They're amazing.
Little pig, can I come in?
No, not by the hairs of my chinny chin chin!
Okay, but I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll...
Which is bipolar disorder. It is a disorder in which a person undergoes manic episodes, which are highly motivated and happy periods of time when a person seems overly happy. This happiness may lead to a harmful episode where a person experiencing mania may do things that are harmful, but due to the mania, they perceive it as a normal event. People with bipolar disorder also experience depressive episodes where the person has no motivation to do anything. This person becomes extremely unmotivated and very hostile towards others around them. These two episodes alternate over extended periods of time, but there are some medications that can help with these episodes, although one medication can't provide for all people.
And now, I'll blow your house in.
2 hours later.
Finally, the third little pig reached the brickworks, where he met a man with a load of bricks.
There's a guy selling bricks now. Hey man, can I buy some of those bricks? It has to be exactly 3 inches wide, 5 inches tall, and 1 foot long.
Yeah, yeah!
Thanks! You're gonna go right here, and you're gonna go right here, and you are gonna lay right here with me. Love my rock.
Oh, little pig, can I come in?
No, by the hairs on my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll...
The third pig's psychological disorder is obsessive-compulsive disorder. It affects 1 of every 40 adults in the United States, and it occurs in people of all ages. Obsessions are unwanted, intrusive thoughts, images, or urges that trigger intensely distressing feelings. Compulsions are behaviors an individual engages in to attempt to get rid of other obsessions and or decrease his or her distress. Systematic desensitization can be a therapy technique used to help people with OCD because it allows them to receive a treatment for phobias and such which the patient is exposed to progressively more anxiety-provoking stimuli and are taught relaxation techniques.
But first I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
No, you can't blow my house on. These bricks are too strong.
What? How is that possible?
Not today, Big Bad Wolf. That stupid Big Bad Wolf messed up my house. There we go. That's better. It's perfect.
A few moments later.
I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't.
How's your day?
Where's Dylan?
Wait, where is Dylan? Oh.
It got windy all of a sudden. No, what happened? Dude, are you selling straws?
Are you good, bro?
Your house fell down.
Are you good, bro?
So good. So good. I got you. Wow. I feel nice. The sugar and spice.
Wow!